Good morning, everybody. Well, we are in for a very hot summer day here across East Texas. Let's check on our daytime highs across the area, up to 99, maybe even 100 degrees in some of our eastern locations, but a very, very hot day across the area, and we are certainly above average. Our average this time of year, 95 degrees. We look to be a few degrees above that, and we will have a chance to see an occasional pop-up storm or two as we head into the afternoon, but I think most of us will be staying dry and very hot. So much so that we do have a heat advisory in effect for much of East Texas until 8 p.m. Those feels like temperatures, as you couple that air temperature with the humidity, going to be feeling like at least 105 to even up to 110 in some locations. And on top of that, we do have a very, very light wind, so there will be very, very little relief as you head outside. So make sure you are drinking enough water and are staying cool as best as you can. Your pool forecast going forward, 100 degrees possible as we head into tomorrow, and then we introduce some rain chances going into Wednesday and Thursday, with temperatures decreasing to the upper 90s for Wednesday and then lower 90s for Thursday as a cold front moves into the area. So the best pool days are definitely going to be today and for tomorrow. We're continuing to track this ridge of high pressure that it'll eventually move off to the west, and that will be responsible for some much cooler temperatures and increased rain chances alongside that cold front. So once that moves away, we're going to be in for a little bit of relief going forward. Here's a look at rain chances, actually. 30% chance for today, straight passing shower, definitely not out of the question for today. Mostly sunny for tomorrow. Surface high pressure moves in. That'll really reduce our rain chances down to nothing. We'll be mostly sunny for Tuesday, up to 40% as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. That cold front moving in, bringing in an elevated risk for rain, and then we're down to a 30% chance of rain as we head into Friday, and then down to a limited isolated chance as we go into this weekend. This weekend should be in pretty good shape as we go into the next few hours here on our future Skycast. This is what it's going to be looking like. Again, we're watching for temperatures to make their way up into the upper 90s, an occasional passing shower or two going into this afternoon, but again, most will stay dry. That's going to be kind of the repeat scenario for today and tomorrow. As we move into tomorrow, this is what it'll look like. Again, can't rule out maybe a straight passing shower, but I think with that surface high pressure, it's really going to be reduced down to a very, very limited rain chance with mostly sunny skies. It won't be until we get to about Wednesday morning. This is all ahead of a cold front that will be moving in, so we could get a line of showers and thunderstorms into the morning and into the early parts of the afternoon. Will be in our southern counties by that time. And it's important to emphasize that this is just a model. This is kind of what the radar could be looking like. It's not exactly what it'll be looking like, but we do still expect that there will be some sort of rain chance as we go into Wednesday and especially Thursday. Let's take a look at rain chances, or rainfall amounts, I should say, as we go into the next 7 days. The bulk of the rain is going to be down to the south. Could potentially get up to about half an inch to maybe even 3/4 of an inch in some locations. A little bit less further to the north, but it's still rain nonetheless. Let's take a look at Hurricane Erin. It's now weakened to a Category 4. We are still expecting it to miss the United States and eventually weaken down to a Category 2 and eventually to nothing at all. Tonight's lows will be in the low to mid 70s. Sunset tonight, 8:02 p.m. The days are getting shorter, y'all. Here's your 7-day forecast. We'll be up to potentially 100 degrees for Tuesday, down to 97 for Wednesday. Rain chances carrying into the next few days after that, and we're going to be staying relatively comfortable in the low to mid 90s.